Okay, hi everybody. I want to do a quick demo working with a really simple data set to show how to calculate percent total instead of raw numbers. So what this data set is, it's a gender binary, kind of old-fashioned data set where we've got a frequency of people with blue eyes and then 4 different color hair. We basically have 4 different eye colors: blue, brown, green, hazel, 4 different color hair, and then male and female frequencies of these combinations. Remember that Tableau likes taller data sets, so I'm going to pivot these 2 columns to get them, I guess, in the same column. So I've just selected them using Shift or Control, and then I'm going to pivot. And you can see now that it has kind of made it taller, right? Okay, so let's get in and do a categorical, like a bar chart. So we'll just play with the eyes for right now, and you can see I've got this new pivot field value. This is the count of the male and female observations for eye color, and we should use the summary card to get a sense of how many people are in this set. It looks like there's a total of 544 observations, which looks about right considering that blue and brown eyes are over 200 each, and then we've got green and hazel down here. So that looks correct, which is good. But instead of looking at the raw counts, it's often very helpful to look at percent total. So let's convert this to percent total by doing a table calculation. And we do that right here in this pill. If we drop this down, we can do a quick table calculation and choose percent total. And so here it's showing us that, between 35 and 40% of the people in this sample have blue eyes, but the tallest bar here is for brown eyes, just under 40%. And if I hover and stop wiggling around, it's about 39%. Okay, and then if we want to look at this as a proportion instead of a percent, we can do that by going in and editing the axis, but not editing. Editing allows us to control the way it's labeled, including the label for the description here. We want to format at that opens a pane over here where we can change the way the number is being formatted. And right now it doesn't say percentage, it's on automatic, but it's because we chose percent total, it's defaulting to a percent. But we can go in and tell it to just do a regular old number with 2 decimal places, and it does the proportion for us and picks up that half for our ticks, the way our ticks are set up. Right, so now we have a proportion. This would max out at 1. It's basically the same story. We would just need to go in now and get rid of this unit and describe this as a proportion to the whole. Yep, there you go.